Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over this VideoGen review. So this video is going to be useful for individuals who are deciding whether or not to use VideoGen for AI video creation. And so I've been using it for about 6 months now, and I must say that it's definitely a solid AI video generation tool. But here are some things you have to be aware about. And if at any point you decide to try out VideoGen yourself, check out the link in the description down below. Now let's start off with the pros. You do get really fast video generation that can turn text into videos in just a few minutes. Plus their AI voiceovers are pretty decent and you can customize avatars and backgrounds easily. But one of the downsides is that the video quality isn't as high as some competitors that I've used, and the free version is pretty strict. Now, another one of the biggest cons of VideoGen is that although it's quick and easy to use, you do have to deal with some quality trade-offs. And what I mean by that is the videos look good for social media, but they're not really professional enough for like higher end marketing campaigns, okay? So some videos I've created work perfectly for quick social posts. Other times, the output looks too obviously AI generated. With VideoGen, I think the best video I made was around like a 30-second product demo that looked decent. But I've also created videos that were clearly artificial and wouldn't fool anyone. Other things with VideoGen that I didn't like or don't like currently is that their avatar movements can look robotic, and sometimes the lip syncing is off, and the background options are somewhat limited. And unlike more advanced AI video generation tools where you get photorealistic results, VideoGen's output has that distinct AI-generated look. Now with VideoGen though, one thing to keep in mind is that you do have to take into account their credit-based pricing, which can get expensive if you're creating a lot of videos. So while individual videos are cheap to generate, the costs can add up rather quickly if you're using it regularly for business. Now with VideoGen, there can be some limitations when it comes to customization options. So my recommendation is that you keep your expectations realistic about video quality and use it for appropriate content types. For me, for example, I learned that it works great for quick explainer videos on my social media posts, but not so much for professional presentations. Now here are my 3 tips for people who want to try out VideoGen. First tip is to use their free trial and test different video styles and see if that quality meets your needs, because what works for one type of content might not work for another. I tested everything from product demos to educational content before deciding how to actually use it. Second tip is keep your scripts short and simple, because I feel like VideoGen works better with concise, clear messaging than complex narratives. I found that videos under 60 seconds generally turn out better than longer ones, and the AI handles straightforward scripts more effectively. Third tip is use it for the right type of content like social media posts, quick demos, or internal training videos, rather than trying to create high-end marketing content. I learned to match the tool's capabilities with appropriate use. My rule is that if you need professional quality videos for important campaigns, VideoGen probably isn't the right choice. But with VideoGen though, I'd say it's been a useful tool for quick video creation, especially when I need something fast for social media or internal use. VideoGen customer support is also pretty responsive, which is good when you run into any technical issues with generation or the credit usage. So with that being said, if you're considering VideoGen, I'd say just try it out in the link down below in the description. You won't know until you try it out, but understand its limitations and use for it. But I hope you found this video helpful, guys. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below.